Hey everybody, this is EvilJess, and today's the day Slime Rancher 3.0 came out, or 03.30, it came out! So, a couple of things you should notice now. When you purchase it at the store, you now get a water tank. It's awesome. Well, it's not in the store because I already went ahead and purchased it. So, that's pretty sweet. They definitely bumped up the graphics, so check this out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out, so you get the pixelation there. Lots of good stuff bumped up here. Oh, look at the little water floor. Oh, look at the little puddle slimes. They're so cute. Oh my god. Man, Ian has really been bumping up his art skills, man, because this is great. Alright, let's put those guys back. Oh, they make a new noise now. Oh, that's so cute. I'm really glad they changed how they did the slimes, because that is really fucking cute. Alright, let's fire away. And if you hold down your fire button, you rapid fire now. Alright, so my slimes seem to be okay for now. Are these guys out of food? Okay, I've got 6 left. Shit. Alright. I'm gonna make sure the pink slimes have some food, or they're gonna be pissed off and what. Oh, there's even now like little bars on the... Oh, I love that little irrigation system. That is so cool for the sprinkler idea. That is awesome. Alright. Start some heartbeats again. I should keep these assholes happy for a little bit. How are they doing on chickens? Alright, they got the last couple chickens. They'll be fine. Alright. Now, we gotta find Indigo Quarry. I have a theory where it is, because I don't know exactly where it's gonna be located, but we'll find out. It'll be an adventure. Give me some carrots. Give me those carrots. Wait. Oh, those carrots, you little bastards. Alright, also there's the wild slime, so we gotta keep our eyes open for that. They like to lurk in tall grass. Okay. So... I'm just loving how they really haven't changed much on the slimes. The normal ones are just a little bit more bouncy. Okay, I'm out of here. I heard a fucking tar. I'm gone. I'm out. Fuck that. Oh, there's another one. Seriously, dude? Oh, great. Split. Eat that. Eat that. Oh shit, I'm out of water and it's coming for me. Ah! Go eat the slimes! Don't eat me! Hi, chicken. There's like fucking plorts everywhere. God, you guys are some nasty motherfuckers. You're like rabbits. Yeah, water. Alright. And the gun even's got a little bit of a different design now, too. Oh shit, there's like 3 of them. Yeah, nope. Bye. Bye-bye. I'm out. Yeah, they're definitely giving us more detail now, especially with this update. I'm liking. Hey, guys! Fuck. Oh, it killed itself! That was awesome. It just laid on the fountain. Guess he was getting a colon cleansing. Oh, boy. Angry! Angry slimes are angry! Ah! Oh god! Jesus! Ah! I went the wrong fucking way. Holy fuck! He's got a Q berry out of it. Fuck! Alright. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, boing, boing. Down the hatch. Whee! Boop. And there's more tars running around out here. Fuck the tar. Fuck them in the ass. Stone in, stone in. Okay. I was hoping to see some briar men. Don't know how that goes. Sorry, guys. I'm not in the mood to save you today. I got my own slimes to worry about. More chicken. Honey slime. Not see many wild ones yet. Some water. Just in case. Oh, no, they're not explosive. Or they're honey explosive. Fuck. Getting myself all turned around. I think I need to go this way. Yeah, we need to go this way. Is that a briar hen? I like briar hens. Briar hens are awesome. Whoa! Flying pink slime. Oh, see, guys. Can I just do a circle? No, I went the right way. Let's see. Liking that they added flowers. This is really nice. Alright, up through here. Now, if I'm right, indigo quarry is on the other end of this place. More puddle slimes. Definitely increasing the spawn rate of puddle slimes, which I like. These puddle slimes are fucking adorable. Got Largos, those impure bastards. I'm all about purity, so I have no Largos at my farm. I was like, nope. Still under construction, so where the fuck is Indigo Quarry? Huh. Maybe, well, it's not where I thought it was. Hey, it's a box. I like boxes. Bam! Take that from the Stony Hen. Whoa, wait. Is that sun glare? That is awesome. Alright, so Indigo Quarry isn't where I thought it was. Now the $20 million question is, where the fuck is it? This is gonna be good. I thought it might be Indigo Quarry over there, but I am... Whoa, that was weird. I might be wrong. Huh. Let's see. If it is that island... Oh boy. That's just weird. Wonder where they put it. I don't remember seeing another gate anywhere else. I was under the assumption that it was there. Looks like we're gonna have to go on a little adventure, kids. And hopefully not die. Jesus. Here we go. Let's kill some tar, though, first. Motherfuckers. Don't you wreck my day. Wait, wasn't there that other under construction? Oh, that's probably where it is. Alright, I'm a dummy-dum. I'm going back to my house. I think I might know where it is. This is a long shot, though. There's something moving across the surface. Don't get me wrong, I thought I saw something. Maybe it was my hallucination. Yeah, get in the water, assholes, and die. Jesus. Fucking cars everywhere. Ah! Alright, I think we got rid of them. Alright, that's a lockdown area. So that's still under construction. Well, never assume you know what a developer's gonna do, because fuck where Indigo Quarry is. Huh. Alright, I should've just took the teleporter back, but we can get out this way. Whew. Damn, I'm good. Alright. If it's anywhere, my money... It's over there. Okay. I think I see it now. That's probably where Indigo Quarry is. Holy fuck, it's out there. Oh, how am I gonna get to that? Shit. I gotta backtrack across the piers and not die. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna jetpack over there because I'm not suicidal. Alright, let's go. Have any angry guardians? No, I do. Wow, there's something way off in the distance. You guys see that? Huh. What the deal is that... Alright. So, I think we can... Get out of here! You need to die! today. Alright, I'm out. Alright. So, I'm thinking Indigo Quarry. I'm thinking correctly. Construction area. Aha! Here it is. Yep, this is Indigo Quarry. Ooh, it's shiny. Oh god, angry slimes. So it wasn't a key area, which is odd. Oh, found it. Remains of a mining project that quickly went bust. Alright. And the music's gonna change. Oh, there we go. There's our slime key usage. I found the quarry! Woohoo! Oh, wow. Only took me a few minutes. Oh, wow. Look at the emeralds. That's so cool. It's so neat. What's popping around? Oh. The lonely pink slime. Another pink slime. Of course, since it's a quarry, lots and lots of rock slimes. There's some chickens. That's a chickadee. Okay. Alright, I'll put it back. Oh, there's heartbeats in here too? There's some boom ports. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna go this way. This is really pretty. I like this. Somebody definitely studied mining. Oh, here we go. What the shit? Alright, you fat fuck. Oops, wrong one. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to come back with some heartbeats. That fat fuck's in here. Alright. What's up there? Oh, let me up, let me up, let me up! Oh. Let's see what this way takes me. I think I'm gonna have to wait for nightfall. Yeah, I've got that distinct feeling I'm gonna have to wait for night. Before I get any, rad slimes. Which I'm okay with. I'm cool with waiting. Oh, this is so neat. I'm just enjoying this. Oh! Rad slimes! Yeah! Woo! Its radiance is so lovely, it makes you sick. I got radiation! Nice! Ow! More of these guys. Let's get the rock slime out of here. Awesome, I'm getting radiation. Sweet! That's the new fruit. Oh, that's the new fruit. Is any grown yet? I need one for a sample. Wait, that doesn't look right. That's a heartbeat. There we go. We got some rad slimes. Awesome. I'm so happy that we got rad slimes. That's a stone hen. It's probably the one I ditched. Nope. It's got babies down here, so it is not the one I ditched. That is fucking awesome. Alright. So. That's a bit of the Indigo Quarry. Now let's get our rad slimes home if I can. Oh, what the fuck? They're radioactive? And angry! So angry! Wow. I think I just discovered another area. Is that a chickadee? Yeah, it's a chickadee. Oh! Ow! Fuck! I hate when they do that. Explosive bastards. Ooh. Yeah, there's something over there I gotta try. Alright. Here we go. Ho! Made it! Damn, I'm good. What's with the twinkling and the splashing? Oh, look at the little puddle slime! It's so cute. Oh man, this water is awesome! You're just floating around, having a good time. Ah, that's so cute! We got hot springs? Oh, this is awesome! I am getting so lost in here, but this is so cool! Alright, regular chicken. I think there's supposed to be a new chicken, I think? I know we've got the wild slime, which... it's a rare, so we'll have to keep our eyes open for him. But I got some radiation, so I'm probably gonna start growing weird shit. Am I not that fat fuck again? I think I'm in the room with the fat. Yeah, I'm in the room with the fat fuck again. Sorry, dude. I got nothing for you. You're a veggie eater. Alright. Oh, man. This is nice. This is nice. I really want to catch wild slime, but they are very elusive, according to things, so... At least they're supposed to be, according to... That's not the way. I got so lost and up with everything, I'm like, oh my god, look at all the cute and cool shit! Now it's like, I think I'm lost. Hey, yo, I'm stuck on something. Ah! Come on! Ah, there we go. How the fuck do I get out of here? Oh, there it is. I think that's the entrance way out. Alright. Old slime hasn't popped up yet. So, we found Indigo Quarry. I thought it was going to be at the end of that one. Oh, this is not. Wait. Yeah, this is. Okay. Yeah, this is totally the way. Yep. We're back out. Okay. So, now I know where Indigo Quarry is. I figured if it wasn't there, it's one of those off-site restricted areas. Interesting. And then the fat, well, the chubby slime is the rock slime this time, so he's probably gonna poop and give me some good stuff. When I make him explode, of course. Okay, so we're gonna head to the grotto with our new little buddies, because we want them to be happy. And I want to make sure that the Slimepedia. Let's see, Slimepedia. Alright, slimes. Rad slime! Alright, diet veggies. Favorite is orca. Oh, it's a veggie diet. Okay. Rad slimes, aura can produce rad poisoning and a if they remain within it for too long. Advisors are to monitor levels when handling these could do bodily harm. Given that reddies are basically months, no surprise corporations value their food as, values their poop as power. We got puddle slimes. Yep. Oh, yeah. So we've got some good slimes here. Alright. So, we'll resume, but that's the info on them. Alright. I'm gonna put them across the street from our little phosphorus slimes. Press E to activate. Oh, look at the artwork for all this stuff. I almost said Coral Corral. Okay, we want high walls. I want an air net. I want an port collector. And I want an auto feeder. Alright. We got 8 of those little buggers. They're gonna be happy. Alright. Let's make sure I don't get too contaminated, because I don't need to turn into some grotesque mutant. You know? Not my ideal way to spend my life, especially locked out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. But since they like veggies, carrots, I gotta wait for their food to spawn so I can get them the right food that they like. Holy phosphorus, I swear, you never know. So I gotta come in here, vacuum up all you motherfuckers, and your ports, so that they get all sucked up. Ugh, chihuahua. I swear, the phosphors are like the worst at maintenance. They just do not do a thing. Alright, so the rad slimes are happy. It's nightfall, so that'll be interesting. At least according to that, but I don't think it is. It's sundownish. It's getting close to sundown. I've got 2 Q-berry left. Alright. Got radishes. Or beets or whatever. Alright. How are our briar hens looking? Pull the herd out. Elder hen. Can't grab her yet. Okay. Alright. Alright, time to retire the old hen. Let's see, where is she? Where did she expire? Oh, no, there she is. I'm giving you a better life. I promise. How are my kitties doing? Are they happy? One's getting hungry. Okay, they're getting hungry. Alright, I'm gonna go get some briar hands from Overgrowth. Because I have to go check there anyways for stuffs. Yeah, I've been kind of busy in here. I let some roostros loose, I let some rares, I let some of the regular stone hens and briar hens loose in here. It's gotten kind of crazy. Come here, briar hens! Down some of the briars. Definitely like what they've been doing. This is really good. This is a nice update. They did really good with this one. Good job, guys. Good job. But, let's see. Expanded area? Oh, I got a teleport pad. Nice! That's awesome. You get a teleport pad to add an overgrowth? Let's see what it'll do, where it'll take me. Oh, it took me out here. Alright, take me back to the farm. Okay, well, that's duly freaking noted. There's one of the hens. That's all I want right now. That's an Auto Roostaro, so I gotta take him out eventually. Or he'll just go off into a peaceful existence after he's sired so many babies. Alright. I cleaned up a little bit. Alright, let's get to work. Okay. What's up, guys? Oh, we need plorts? Alright, you need one phosphate plort. Go feed my kitties. Because, of course, the kitties are always hungry. Alright, they're loaded. Alright, I need a rock, and I need slime. Alright, how much pink slime plort do you need? You need 3. Did it not take it? Oops, I had the wrong thing selected. I was like, wait a minute. Alright, get these plorts off. I'll be a successful farm rancher. I'll be working. I'll be getting all the good stuff. Alright. I got like 3 plorts. Rock. I only needed 2. Boom, baby. I think I found a glitch. Whoops. Yeah, so... I don't know what to do about that. I'm just gonna leave it be. Alright, 1, 4. Yep. Alright. They got melons. Alright, the heartbeats are going to the rads for now. Like I said, until I can get their stuff. You guys probably are somewhat happy. Alright, got a couple rad plorts. Alright. And I'm not radioactive! Woohoo! Alright. I'm gonna go back to the quarry. Quarry? Oh, what am I doing? Wrong spot. Where's the other chickens? Are you guys suicidal or what? Yeah, I'll give you guys to the cat. There. Be happy. I like to keep my slimes happy. Bam! Alright. Alright, back to Indigo Quarry, because I want to get that fruit, if there are any. And I don't feel anything. No side effects of the radiation yet. Hasn't kicked in yet. I am alright. I'm gonna be okay. Let's see if I remember how to get there. Oh yeah, it's in the tunnel that way. Into the tunnel! Hi guys. Hi guys. Ow! Ow! Fuck! I do not want to play. So cute. So I was just eyeing the gate. Oh, that's not good. Oh! Later, guys. Ow! I'm out. Let's see. That takes me, you tubby bastard. Ah, shit, I gotta wait till my jetpack reloads. There we go. Well, at least he has a chicken friend to keep him happy. Call him Cornelius. Or no, Lucinda. Ah, shit. Come on, lift off. Thank you. Oh. Alright, into the quarry we go. More heartbeats. Oh god! I didn't have any lift. Ah! Luckily you can't drown in this game. Oh, fuck. Ow. Hello. Got it! That's it. I don't want to hear trouble. Ow. Come up here. Never noticed this part before. Nice. It's like a mining ship or something. That's neat. Does this take me back up to the top? Yeah, looks like it does. Or this is another secret spot that I'm not been made aware of. Let's see where it takes me. Alright, nice long windy path. And under construction. Alright, so this is a part that hasn't been made yet. Oh, but look at that floor. That floor is so awesome. It's all glittery and stuff. Oh, there's a teleport pad. Sweet. And more veggies. So there's a teleport pad over here too. Oh, that's nice. I love how the ground sparkles. That is really cool. From all the minerals and stuff. That is really neat. They did a really good job with this. I'm glad they took their time with it because I was kind of wondering how things were gonna turn out. Because I was impatiently waiting because, one, I really, really, really wanted to see how this was gonna come up. And now that can't go that way. Hi, guys. Ah, I got radiated! Ow! Ah, motherfuckers. That was not cool, dudes. Not cool at all. Give me that heartbeat. Ooh, workers. Need more of these. Ah! I'm too close to the radiation! Here, dude, eat a pink slime. Just leave me alone. Oh god, radiation sucks! Whee! At least they show you, like, the range. So you don't, like, get too friendly with them. Okay, you're just a stony hen. Oh, you've got to be shitting me! Oh my god! Oh, I found a giant radiation. I found a giant rat slime. Not sure where the fuck this thing is. I'll probably get very intimately familiar with it the more I explore this area. This is just me floating a little bit. Alright, I needed an orca because I wanted to take it home and teleport and get home in one fucking piece. That would be nice. It'd be nice to get home in one effing piece. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get home in one effing piece. A little bit of light shining. Boing, boing. Alright. I'm just taking the long way home. And almost home. That definitely is not the way home. That is death. Ow! God damn, dude. Oh. Ah, there we go. I think it's this way. Yes, I'm directionally challenged, by the way. Yep, because here come the angry slimes. Ah! Get away! I don't want to die! Oh, phew. Alright, well, that's, I guess, the best I can give you guys for Indigo Quarry. Sorry I couldn't find a wild slime, though I think I might have saw one in the water over in the, Emerald Field, but, in the Mossy Blanket, but I'm not 100% sure. So, I guess this is it. Enjoy your slimes and happy hunting, guys. This is EvilJess signing off, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!